April, you want to tell everybody where we're going? Where are we going?
I don't remember the name. Mount Ibuki?
Yes.
Ibukiyama?
Ibukiyama.
Yeah.
Local name Ibuki-san.
Ibuki-san.
Ibuki-san. Hello interwebs and welcome back. For those of you who don't know, and let's be honest, that's probably most of you, my name is Shanna and this is where I share my life and stories and adventures and opinions and whatever else I feel like. In this October 2016 vlog, yes, I just said October 2016, yes, I'm a little bit behind, I realize it's March of 2017, but it is what it is. My friends and I took a trip to Spooky Ibuki. There's a very good reason we call it that. It's not actually called Spooky Ibuki, it is Mount Ibuki, Ibukiyama, or Ibuki-san to the locals here. And this mountain is 4,518 feet tall. Yes, I have to check my notes to make sure I don't tell you the wrong thing. Or 1,377 meters tall. This mountain actually used to be an underwater volcano tens of thousands of years ago, which is really freaking cool. And we went hiking. Well, and by hiking, I mean, you know, we drove 3/4 of the way because the time we got there was literally no way we could have hiked the whole thing. But the last, I don't know, less than a quarter or so that we actually did hike was awesome. The view was a little bit clouded by some of the weather we were experiencing, but what we did see was beautiful. And it was just an all-around fun and entertaining and very eye-opening experience. So if you get a chance to go, please do. And in this vlog, there's a lot of driving scenery, so if you don't like that, I will provide a link in the description below so you can skip past that and get to the hiking and the actual mountain kind of experience. So without further ado and without too much rambling, let's just get into it. Okay. It looks like a big radio towers. Fuji Tech! Maybe it's just a giant elevator. You go all the way to the top and then you go back to the bottom. I don't know. Oh, persimmon! Persimmon!
Kaki.
Kaki.
Yeah.
Kaki. Persimmon.
Kaki.
Kaki.
Kaki is way easier to say.
Yes, it is. Persimmon is difficult.
Yeah.
How are you feeling right now, Nick?
めっちゃ寒いです。めっちゃ寒いです。めっちゃ寒いです。めっちゃ寒いです。
Are you taking pictures? It's cold! But it's beautiful, look at that.
Okay, get back home.
Oh no! Not yet, not yet, not yet. Oh my god, look, it's like coming in hot.
See, even the cloud is like, fuck this shit.
It's so pretty though.
Is that the trail?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can we fly?
Look at this.
Can't you feel that? Feel that now? What about your jump back?
April, what are you doing? Couple key? Oh, that's cute.
I'm so having an adventure.
Adventure time! It's always an adventure.
I think Reddit's first. There's natural rock
What's that bad now?
Now that we're blocked from the wind. Oh, spoke too soon.
salty Bakari. Sweat, yeah. Touch it.
Mine's been doing that. Really?
Having enough in our classes, some of us,
Yeah.
it's like, oh.
It doesn't bother me. You're fine. What's over there?
Another door. Money. Real door.
Where are you going? No, I'm running. Okay. Well, let's go look out. This is like a village.
Oh my god, that makes me so happy.
I think the zombies would fall down the mountain.
Can we walk that way?
I want to.
Nick, Kenji, we're going
We're
this
going
way.
this way.
See you sometime.
We will find you. This is really fucking cool.
No, Pokemon Go.
No Pokemon Go.
I don't know if it's no. I don't think it's no. Pokemon Trainer no mina e ashimoto ni jubu ni ki o tsuke. Oh, it's telling Pokemon Go players to be careful when they're walking. Because people are playing here. Oh, I tried.
I don't even know if I would have signal up here.
Which is like ketchup.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, let's walk this way. We're moving in.
It reminds me of like the hillside or something.
This is so cool. Okay, here. Oh my god. Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
There's a dead body.
Yeah, there's like dead bodies hanging.
This is really eerie. So this is where we came from. It's basically Silent Hill.
Like a thing and everything.
Those are the sirens that go off when I'm watching. Holy crap! That is not okay. My heart just went like up in my chest as I'm talking about Silent Hill monsters. I see a silhouette lurking behind
I was
the
trying to
camera.
get around there, so that when you walk past, I'm like, ah.
Your green jersey gave you away. Messed up.
There's a cafe. I wonder what Pokemon are here, but I don't want to turn my internet on to like waste battery and stuff. We should come back. We should come back in the spring when we'll actually be able to see stuff.
Yeah, this is just, I feel like this kind of experience.
This is so cool. The wind is really strong. The 4 hikers that go missing in the mountains. You guys were talking about walking through alternate dimensions. We entered Silent Hill and didn't know it. I think zombies would fall down the mountain before they reached us. A fox!
Be careful. Be careful. Don't say, oh. Try and look very big.
No, don't he's really scared already.
We don't want him to be here.
Yes, I do. I love foxes. He's not gonna hurt us. Don't worry. Stop it. You're already big enough.
Obviously, yeah.
April.
I don't think it's open.
Ice cream. It's too cold for ice cream. Oh, that looks creepy. April. Doesn't that look creepy? Bum, bum, bum. And the plot thickens. Where are we?
We're here. We came up here.
Okay.
And we're going to go back to this one. It's alright, I have a good one. This way. So the way back down the mountain, my phone died, so I didn't have any battery to record. However, it was rather treacherous because the sun had pretty much gone completely down. It was dark, it was foggy, and yes, I did slip and almost fall down the mountain, but let's be honest, I fall all the time, so it was a rather graceful fall. I caught myself, and it could have been a lot worse. But after hiking, we decided to get yakiniku. We met up with our friend Junpei, and if you haven't had yakiniku, it is absolutely delicious. You definitely need to eat it, unless maybe you're vegan or vegetarian, in which case I'm sure they could do it with vegetables, but I don't know that it would be quite the same. Anywho, let's take a look.
Yeah, I got it.
Of course I am. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't yet, please also hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Living life on the edge here.
Do we want to sing songs?
The wheels on the bus go round and round. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. Oh, do we know Bohemian Rhapsody? This is the real
That sounds
life.
about dying.
Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor